have been watching the Middle East. We have been watching the Red Sea. But while the world's eyes are on Iran, the most dangerous security flashpoint of 2026 is moving closer to home. It's a 1,600-kilometer stretch of jungle where a nation is literally dissolving into pieces. In Myanmar's Chin state, the military junta has lost control. And in that vacuum, a perfect storm of ethnic armies looted high-tech weapons. And the world's largest narcotics networks are moving toward Manipur. Today, we decode why the Myanmar-Chin Manipur corridor is the next critical theater for the Indian Army. As of 2026, the Myanmar military, the Tatmadaw, is in a death spiral. They control less than 40% of the country. In the Chin state, right on our border, resistant groups have captured nearly every major town. But here is the danger for India. When a state collapses, it does not just go quiet, it becomes a black hole. Thousands of Chin refugees have already entered Mizoram and Manipur. They share the same blood and same family trees as of Kuki-Zu communities. But the border is a two-way street. Intelligence reports confirm that northeast insurgent groups like the UNLF and NSCN are using this chaos to regroup. They strike in Manipur, then vanish into the no man's land of the Chin Hills. We aren't just facing a refugee crisis, we are facing hybrid war. War needs money, and in Myanmar that money comes from the meth and opium. The Myanmar-Manipur corridor is now the primary exit route for the Golden Triangle. In the last year alone, seizures of ice and heroin in Mizoram and Manipur have broken all records. This isn't just smuggling. This is narco-terrorism. Every gram of drugs sold in India is funding weapons used in the Manipur crisis. India has seen the risk. The government has sanctioned rupees 31,000 crores to fence the entire 1,643-kilometer border and scrape the free movement regime. But here is the ground reality. As of April 2026, less than 50 kilometers of that fence are finished. The terrain is too brutal and the local resistance to the fence is too high. We are trying to build a wall while the house next door is already on fire. India's Act East policy was supposed to make the Northeast a gateway to Asian market, but today that gateway is a pressure point. If we can't stabilize the Chin-Manipur corridor, the trilateral highway to Thailand is dead. The next war isn't coming from across the ocean, it's coming from the jungle next door. The era of porous borders is over. But is a fence enough to stop a civil war? Hit subscribe to Decoded Life to stay ahead of the curve. And here is the question for you. Should India continue its non-interference policy in Myanmar, or is it time to take a side to protect our own borders? Let's have a strategic debate below.